Because I wanted to show you this vibration plate that I received from the company. This thing has been like such a hit in my house. We've had it for a little while now, and I'm super happy with it. It does come with these like suction cups to really make it so that it stays where it's supposed to, as well as a remote, so that you can turn it on when you are, on it. You don't have to like lean down. There's different modes, different speeds, a time, a power button. It's pretty straightforward. You can put your feet right here. You can read all about the health benefits of doing something like this. There's a ton of health benefits to it. And it is funny how, like, once you start doing it, you kind of get into it. I find everybody in my house has, including my kids. So the different levels, you can do exercising right on here, like, lifts or leg lifts, squats, sit ups if you want to try to like balance yourself. So again, there's like tons of different health benefits to doing this, and you could read all about it. I just wanted to give you like how it actually works, and you could see, it's pretty easy to stay on, and your body does shake, which is kind of cool. So if you're looking into something like this, I would definitely give this one a try.